Today our topic is homemade polish and cleaning agents. Homemade polish is polish made with local materials. They are used in the home and been used to keep our home clean and polished. Homemade furniture polish is used in polishing wooden furniture at home. Types of homemade polish: kerosene, turpentine, candle wax, palm oil. Examples of home furnitures: wooden chairs and tables, side stool, cupboards, dining chairs and tables. Cleaning agents. Cleaning agents are substances, usually liquids, powders, sprays or granules, that are used to remove dirt, grease, and deposits from different surfaces in the home. Examples are detergents, bleaches, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.